Best Interior Living Room Exposed Brick Wall Decoration Ideas 2024. Step into the future of home decor with our latest video on the best interior living room exposed brick wall decoration ideas for 2024. Explore the perfect blend of rustic charm and modern elegance as we unveil innovative and stylish ways to incorporate exposed brick walls into your living spaces. From industrial chic to cozy rustic vibes, we've curated the ultimate guide to transforming your living room into a masterpiece. In this video, we'll take you on a visual journey through breathtaking living room designs, showcasing creative brick wall decor techniques that redefine contemporary interiors. Discover expert tips, color schemes, and furniture ideas that complement exposed brick, elevating your home to new heights of sophistication. Get inspired by DIY projects that enable you to achieve a bespoke look without breaking the bank. Learn how to balance textures, colors, and lighting to create a harmonious ambience that resonates with your personal style. Whether you're a fan of minimalist aesthetics or eclectic designs, our 2024 living room trends cater to every taste. Dive into the world of interior design with us and unlock the secrets to a cozy, stylish, and inviting living room space. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revamp your home decor and make a statement with exposed brick walls. Join us in embracing the hottest trends of 2024. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting interior design ideas and home decor trends. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Let's transform your living room into a sanctuary of style together.